My lovely child, do you feel a constant urge to change that interferes with the flow? Don't let a particular fear of change stop you in your tracks. Instead, take the opportunity to make necessary improvements. By doing so, you can experience a real sense of strength and assurance in your ability to take on new challenges. This helps you feel more grounded and stable, even if you think there are uncertainties ahead. You are more aware and accepting of your limits, so take pleasure in your work or obligations. Watch out for the glamorization of an impractical business, as it will take focus away from your current priorities.